Welcome to Key Skill 2. In Key Skill 2, we're going to be looking at arc length questions. We've been asked to find the arc length when r is equal to 10 and theta is pi over 5, so theta is in radians. What I'd like you to do is write down your formula. On the second line, you should always substitute in, so r would be 10 and theta would be pi over 5. You can cancel that down, the 5 and the 10. And the arc length would be 2 pi, or if you were asked for, we've been asked to leave the formula in terms of pi, so 2 pi would be sufficient. So when your answer is in terms of pi, you leave it as a multiple of pi. In the second question, we've been told the angle is pi over 6 and r is equal to 5. And we've been asked to find the arc length, which would be this bit here. So once again, you can write A for arc length is equal to r times theta, which is equal to 5 times pi over 6, which is equal to 5 pi over 6. Here, the question is asked for 3 significant figures, so you need to type it in. So that's equal to 2.61799 ... And then on the last line, we're going to round it to the required degree of accuracy, which is 3 significant faces. So 1, 2, 3. So it's 2.62 when we round to 3 significant figures. Let's have a look at question 3. Question 3 asks for the perimeter of the shape in question 2. So we know now that the arc length here was 2.62. Now the perimeter is the distance around the whole shape, so it would be this one, add that one. So it would be, perimeter would be equal to r plus the arc length, or 2r plus the arc length. So r is 5, and the arc length was 2.62. So 10 plus 2.62, which is equal to 12.62 if we're rounding to 3 significant figures. Now in this question, we've been asked to reverse the formula because we've been given the arc length and we've been asked to find theta. So you write your formula down like always. We substitute in arc length equal to 7 pi and radius equals to 21. And we solve for theta. We move the times by 21 to the other side. And then we're just going to cancel the fraction down by dividing by 7. And that's our final answer. In the next key skill, we're going to look at area of sectors, which also comes together in this question. So have a little break and I'll see you soon.